On the final night of 2017, a large house party resulted in the arrest of 65 young people. Only one of them, according to the prosecution, broke the law. Prosecutors now claim that the teenagers were specifically targeted, and a judge concurs. The arrests and how they were treated at the Bartow County Jail disturbed the young people who were celebrating New Year's Eve. The victims expressed gratitude for the almost $1 million settlement, but said they want more than anything to see changes in the police department. I was truly in shackles from my arms to my ankles, it was very terrible, Deja Hurd recalled. Hurd says she'll never forget her 21st birthday party, which she celebrated with her pals by renting out a Cartersville home through Airbnb. After Cartersville police entered the home without a warrant, a total of 65 young people, largely black, found up in the Bartow County Jail. It's not just a problem for African Americans. I believe this is a problem that affects everyone in my community because of crooked cops, Hurd added. At the time, cops claimed they barged into the house after a neighbor reported hearing gunshots. They discovered less than an ounce of marijuana outside on the ground after searching dozens of people. Police detained 65 people and charged them all with possessing a little amount of marijuana because no one claimed it. The unlawful arrests were settled for approximately $1 million by Bartow County and Cartersville police. Those arrested had to divide the money. It's okay to make mistakes now and again. We're all human, after all, and we all make errors. Simply correct yourself as you go forward. Apologize. Yes, there was a settlement, and as I previously stated, I am grateful for it, but no one has truly sat down and said, "We're sorry for being in the wrong. We're sorry for what we did to you. We're sorry for treating you inhumanely," Hurd said. The NAACP's Gerald Griggs stated, "It's a pretty big settlement, so it sends a message to Georgia that if you violate someone's civil rights, the NAACP and civil rights attorneys will hold you accountable and safeguard those young people's rights." We attempted to reach out to the Bartow County District Attorney's Office for comment on the story but received no response. We received one-line response from Cartersville Police, stating that they will continue to uphold the Fourth Amendment, which protects people from arbitrary searches.